In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal email address. If you need to update the email connected to your PayPal account, this process is quick and straightforward. Changing your primary email is useful if you no longer use your old address, want to keep your account details current, or simply prefer to manage everything from a different inbox. The important thing to remember is that PayPal lets you add a new email first, and then set it as your primary email. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and go to your account summary page. From there, look to the top area of the screen and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where you can manage the main details tied to your account, including your personal information, security settings, and contact details. Once you're in settings, navigate to the email section. In that area, you should see the option to add a new email address. Click Add to continue. This section shows the email addresses currently associated with your account, so it's a good place to double check what is already listed before making any changes. Next, type in the new email address you want to use for your PayPal account. Take a moment here to make sure it's entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent you from receiving important account messages or notifications. Using an email address you actively monitor is always the best choice. After entering the new email, select the option that says, "Make this your primary email." This is the setting that tells PayPal to use the new address as the main one on your account going forward. In other words, this is the step that actually changes your primary email rather than simply adding another address to the account. Once that option is selected, click Confirm. This finalizes the change and updates your PayPal account so the new email becomes your primary email address. As a helpful tip, after completing this process, it's a good idea to check your inbox for any verification or confirmation messages from PayPal. If you don't see anything right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Keeping your email verified and accessible can help you avoid login issues and make sure you continue receiving important alerts about payments, account activity, and security. And that's all it takes to change your PayPal email address. Follow these steps carefully, and you should have your new primary email set up in just a few minutes.